The more I look at the various technology stacks that are involved for business continuity and disaster recovery, the more I think there might be a gap, an opportunity. If you come at it from the business continuity side, they start with understanding what are the key business processes throughout the organization, understanding the impacts for outages and disruptions for each one of those, and eventually get to mapping what are the IT technologies that those business processes are dependent on, including what are acceptable levels of outages of IT before the business process starts to suffer. But at some point, when there's an outage in IT, you've missed those SLAs, you go through those workflows, and the last step is go tell IT to recover that workload or fix it or whatever. And then it jumps over an aisle. And on the IT side, they've been backing it up and snapshotting it and replicating it. And ideally, they've done orchestrated workflows for any given key workload. They test those on a periodic basis. And so when the bad thing happens and the decision's been made, they hit a button and the orchestrated recovery process begins. Where's the glue? Right? Where's the API that lets the business continuity planning platform, when it says, okay, we've suffered an outage, we need to notify IT to go and recover that, why not just notify the recovery orchestrated workflow in IT that already has been built to go recover that? Right? So business unit identifies a problem, dashboard identifies that we've breached an outage, wants to invoke IT, an API then tells the data protection orchestration layer, go recover that workload the way that you've predefined to do that. When that recovery is complete, come back across that API again, let the business continuity planning platform know, we think we've done it. Go ahead and notify the users. And you can wrap all kinds of alerting and notifications and dashboarding and KPIs around that. But where's the glue? If you're a business continuity planning platform that can invoke an IT recovery, or more importantly, if you're an IT backup and recovery platform with orchestration that can be invoked by one of those other tools, I'd love to talk to you because I think there's an opportunity there. Where's the glue? Whoever figures that out first has a more complete story than everybody else.